Good morning. It's great to have your company. It is Monday, the 27th day of September. My name is Jessica Ramir, a senior market analyst with Bell Direct. Well, the oil price has surged to an 8-week high. Retailers, they're on the nose, and beware of end-of-quarter rebalancing. But now let's go to overseas markets. Well, a bit of a risk appetite returned. The S&P 500 carved out a bit of a rebound at the weekend after rising for the third straight day, ending up 0.2% on Friday, while the tech-heavy Nasdaq closed flat. In terms of standout stocks, dating app Match Group rose the most. Among the top 500 stocks, Match was up 4%, leading the leaderboard, while Nike shares went the other way, down 6% after they downgraded 2022 revenue expectations. Why? Well, several reasons. Nike has been hit by supply chain issues. There was 10 weeks lost in production in Vietnam, plus there's elevated transit or shipping times. It now takes 80 days to get goods from Asia to America. So this is something to consider across the entire retail landscape. What to watch today? Well, 5 key areas. Firstly, the futures are likely to see a flat start to the trading week. Recall that on Friday, the ASX 200 fell 0.4%. Over the week last week, we fell 0.8%, falling for the third straight week. Keep in mind, caution still persists amid worry about China's Evergrande, their property group. So iron ore stocks will be a focus again this week. Secondly, supply chain issues is starting to affect local retailers. Thirdly, on top of that, don't forget it's end of quarter rebalancing that continues till Thursday. Financials, they'll be watched. Last week, they were succumb to end of quarter profit taking. Remember, financials, banks and insurers, they've done pretty well this year. They're up as one of the best performing sectors benefiting from the economic recovery. The second focus today, commodities. They'll gain a lot more attention because commodities were mostly in the red on Friday, except oil. The oil price rose 3% to $74.43 US. That's an 8-week high. Meanwhile, the iron ore price is in the red, but it's slowly starting to bounce off its low. It's now trading at $120 US after falling below. Remember, it fell below $100 last week. However, iron ore stocks in New York closed lower on Friday. Meanwhile, the gold price is treading water. Thirdly, in terms of corporate news, Synlait Milk SM1 forecasts a return to strong profitability, and the company says it will return to pre-pandemic levels of profitability at the end of 2023. SM1, however, the milk powdered producer, reported a loss of 20 million Australian dollars for their financial year ended July 31 due to disruptions from the pandemic and also from a key customer, A2 Milk. As for this current year, results will likely be bolstered because production is ramping up. They gained a new multinational customer and business conditions are returning. The fourth focus today, companies going ex-dividend. Remember that sees stocks traditionally fall. Imdex, IMD, and Gold Road Resources, GOR, go ex-div today. The fifth focus area, economic news. This week, all eyes will be on retail sales out on Tuesday, building permit data released on Thursday. That'll be an interesting health check. As for trading ideas that could be worth a look, Citi expects Accent, AX1, expects their shares to fall amid supply chain disruptions, particularly as Nike downgraded its 2022 outlook as freight and supply issues really are affecting strong demand, and they just can't keep up at the moment. Citi thinks that Accent's shares, remember Accent is a shoe store giant, expecting Accent's shares to fall to $2.14. However, Accent is still likely to maintain that dividend yield of 3.7%. As for trading ideas elsewhere that could be worth a look, bullish charting signals have been seen in Exopharm, EX1, Orthocell, OCC, and Catapult Group, CAT, and that's according to Trading Central. I'm Jessica Ramir with Bell Direct. Stay safe, happy trading, and don't forget to keep attuned to our Twitter for the latest breaking news.